If you want to win your budgies' trust, there is something very simple that you can do. Here is the pelleted food, which is not seeds. It's a mixture of, I don't know actually. I didn't check the ingredients, but it's for them. So, well, now they are bored, but generally speaking, they will eat it mostly when they are hungry. He's still eating some, you see? Here's a catch though. Will he come to me now? He's kinda bored to come to me. But if I show him millet, he's immediately coming. I know that he's a bit hungry, but you see, he's eating much faster. And now he's coming because he's expecting food